Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we begin the videos from our second trip to the Blue Ridge Parkway back on September 2nd, 2018. We re-enter the Parkway at Tuggle Gap and head south, beginning just past mile marker 165. Over the next few miles, we'll be seeing the name Rocky Knob a lot. First, we come to the Rocky Knob Campground on the right. The campground has easy access to Rock Castle Gorge and is just 9 miles from Mabry Mill. Reservations can be made for portions of this campground. This campground has a campfire circle that accommodates up to 150 campers. For the more adventurous, backcountry camping is permitted at the designated site in Rock Castle Gorge. A permit is required and can be obtained for any time of the year. Rocky Knob is an accurate description of the shape of the mountain that bears its name. Today, the Rocky Knob area offers many diversions for the visitor, including a visitor center and campground. Located near the intersection of the Parkway with Virginia Route 8, the Rocky Knob Recreation Area covers more than 4,000 acres. Interpretive talks and demonstrations are given in the summer months, and 4 trails offer a variety of scenic and historical wonders. 3 large picnic areas hikes into the Rock Castle Gorge, known for its beautiful rock crystalline quartz formations, and the wonderful agricultural scenes along the roadway make this a truly unique portion of the Blue Ridge Parkway. The Rocky Knob cabins, built by Civilian Conservation Corps in the 1930s, offer the only cabins for rent on the length of the parkway. The lush and forested slopes of Rock Castle Gorge suggest that man has been an infrequent visitor here, but that is not the case. A century ago, this gorge supported a substantial community of 30 families. Most residents were farmers who raised hogs and grew corn, and who hunted and harvested wild plants. The community's traditional life was altered dramatically in the late 1800s when industry entered the area. Independent mountaineers quickly became dependent on the cash income that nearby cotton mills and timber companies provided. Over the years, people moved elsewhere to work. By the 1920s, fewer and fewer families called these rugged hollows home. In the decades that followed, nature reclaimed the gorge. Today, more than 60 species of native trees, 25 species of delicate ferns, and over 200 species of wildflowers shade and color the gorge and its remnants of old home sites and grist mills. Wild turkey, fox, deer, bobcat, and other animals roam the forest, plying their ancient patterns and rhythms of life. Here we stop at the Rocky Knob Visitor Center on the right, and we'll have a look around. So we're at around mile 170 on the Parkway. It's the Rocky Knob Information Station. Nice bit hazy view across the road there. It's a pretty steep drop off here. Some people hiking down into the valley over there, and we're in an elevation of around 3,200 feet here. This is bear country. Protect your food and property. Apparently they don't allow camping. And this little road here goes to a picnic area. Apparently you can drive down it.
Baby, do you have cash so I can buy this bag? And then we're going to combine it with their purchase so they can get the free bag.
Okay.
There.
How much
Thank
is it?
you. This is $23.
Their anniversary, of course.
It's their anniversary today.
46. 20, 40, 65, 6, 7, 8. A big one or little one? A big one, okay.
It's very handy.
Thank you. Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Where you guys headed?
Where are we at? Cherokee.
Oh, love Cherokee. 1467.
What is the weather forecast?
84.
40% chance of rain.
Nice. You can't get better than that.
533.
We conclude today's drive at mile 175. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.